If you want to receive topics notifications in X, formerly Twitter, this quick guide will show you exactly where to find the setting and turn it on in just a few taps. This is a simple way to make sure you stay updated with the content and topics that matter most to you. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. From there, click on More. This opens up additional account options and settings. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your main account controls are located, including notification preferences. Once you're inside, click on Notifications. This section controls how X alerts you across the app and on your device. Now look for Preferences and click on it. In the Preferences area, you'll see different notification categories and controls. After that, click on Push Notifications. This is the menu that lets you manage what appears on your phone or device as a push alert. Now scroll until you find the From X section. Under that section, locate Topics and toggle it on. Once Topics is enabled, X can send you push notifications related to topics you've selected or that the platform thinks you may be interested in. And that's it. You've now turned on Topics notifications in X. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference if you want to stay updated on the latest conversations and trends. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.